Hello, it's been a while. I decided to rebuild my entire tank, so this includes absolutely everything. A brand new 2-speed manual that was not in it originally, and I really want this thing to be able to climb through stuff. So I gave it a very high torque difference between these two gears. This is the input. This right here is subtractor steering system. It's not mine. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But it's pretty simple. First gear just goes straight through here and then all the way out. And the second gear goes through these bevels and then out. This is just a servo motor. Connected to that, I can hook it up to my buoys right here. You heard that. Now it's in the middle. Engage. Disengage. Other gear. Straight to the other gear. Easy as that. Now we can put this motor on here. And then this other one on this axle, which spins this, just to keep it from moving. Alright. Hopefully that's not too loud, but neutral now, spin these as much as we want. Oops. This is the high torque mode. Quite hard to stop. Fast. I can barely stop it. And that's it. I will not be doing a tutorial on this. I don't really know how I built it myself, so I doubt I could teach you guys. But it's a nice close up. All of this stuff on the back is just to keep all these gears exactly in the place they need to be so they don't slip, even including all these tiny little things right there. Hard thing about it was that this entire upper piece is actually half a stud shifted, so that's why this here I actually found a use for that piece. Because of that bevel gear can't be any bigger because then there's this in between. Horrible stuff, but it's not going to break. These gears, you just go into here for more reinforcement, and that's it.